Come with us now on a journey through time and space.
Hello, you're listening to the sounds of Salford and Bob's Time Machine.
Hello, Salford, or wherever you're listening from. Yes, you've just been listening to Libby and the family cooking there. Right, what I thought we'd do today is have a bit of a soul day. So let's try a bit of the Stylistics with You Make Me Feel Brand New.
My love, I'll never find the words, my love, to tell you how I feel, my love. Mere words could not explain. Precious love, you held my life within your hands, created everything I am. me how to live again.
Only you care when I needed a friend, believed in me through thick and thin. This song is for you, filled with gratitude and love. God bless you. You make me feel brand new. For God bless me with you. You make me feel brand new. I sing this song 'cause you make me feel brand new.
My love, whenever I was insecure, you built me up and made me sure. You gave my pride back to me. Precious friend, with you I always have a friend. You're someone who I can depend to walk a path that sometimes bends.
Without you, life has no meaning or rhyme, like notes to a song out of time. How can I repay you for having faith in me? God bless you. You made me feel brand new. For God bless me with you. You made me feel brand new. I sing this song for you. You make me feel brand new. For God bless me with you. You make me feel brand new. I sing this song.
Absolutely love that record, me. Well, what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to dedicate that to my 5 grandchildren. Right then, let's have Eddie Allman, Hey There Lonely Girl.
Hey there, lonely girl, lonely girl. Let me make your broken heart like new. Hey there, lonely girl, lonely girl. Don't you know this lonely boy loves you? Ever since he broke your heart, you seem
then, let's try a bit of Viola Wills and Get Along Without You Now.